G'day guys, Damo here, and welcome to another video on my Ranger Raptor. I just wanted to start with saying a big thank you to everyone who checked out the last video with the power chip installed. Thanks very much for all the comments, the likes, and especially thank you everyone who subscribed. So to my subscribers, welcome back. So in this video, basically I'm just going to go out. We're going to try and capture 0 to 100 in the Raptor and see any difference it makes, and see where we go from there. Obviously this isn't going to be too scientific. This is one man with one camera. So we'll go out there, give it a go. Alright, I'm clear on the rock. Alright, 0 to 100, power chip. Ready? Go. Alright, 0 to 100, power chip in, take 2, ready, go. Stop. Alright, so there you go. Finally got done with doing the filming. Just on my way home now. That actually took a lot longer than I thought it would. It took me a couple of hours. I had to go and recruit the help of my dad to get that done. It's kind of a bit hard, and then to try and overlay it and get it all on there. But obviously I think you'll see there, I think it's running about, from what we could gather, about half a second, maybe a little bit more better on the 100 than from 0 to 100 I should say, than it was standard. The standard obviously is claimed as 10.5 seconds, 0 to 100. Yeah, you know, of course, like I said, it's not that scientific. There's probably a bit of lag between when I was pressing the accelerator and when we're pushing the start and stops. I certainly wasn't loading the turbos before we started. That was a dead start to 100 k's an hour. So I probably said it earlier in the videos. I'm not trying to build a race truck here. This ute that I'm building is primarily for me to go touring remotely with the family. So the main things I'm sort of chasing in this rig is reliability, and I needed to be able to tow. So we take a hunting trailer, a camping trailer with us when we go out, and you know, that's weighing anywhere between 1.2 to 1.5 ton when she's fully loaded. So my main concerns is getting that thing around, keeping it on the highway, keeping it going. I'll be doing some filming on that. I've already got a little bit of footage on that one there, so I'm quite happy with how that's sort of going. I'm sitting on 112, doing 1600 RPM, towing 1.4 tons, and we're going uphill. As usual, if you got any comments or questions, I'll try to do my best to get to all of yous on there. Leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you. Also, I mean, check us out on Instagram. Sort of post pictures and little bits of stuff there more often than we do on YouTube. YouTube's sort of really a new thing for me. But yeah, otherwise, thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I'll leave you here with a bit of footage from our last camping trip with the Raptor. Thanks guys, see you in the next one. Yo.